Hi everyone, this is how to input text that you use a lot as a template or whatever into whatever you want using auto hotkey. So basically, presume that you already have it installed. You're going to go new auto hotkey script. You can name it whatever you want. First we're going to edit this script and you're going to see some stuff here. You can ignore that for now. In the description of this video I'm going to put this basic code, which means, so the caret would be control, A would be A obviously, so the actual script is the send script, so we're going to type in something we want to always input when I hit Control A. So all we have to do is save this and close that out, and now we can run that. A lot of people use double click. I have it set up to single click because I am lazy. So now whenever I hit Control A, the text that I have stored in that file will always be there. So now if I go and edit this again, I can put in a different one. Say if I want this cool open a new tab link to pop up with some, or to input, all I have to do is hit Control D. So I'll hit save, close that out, run this again. It'll say one's already running. Basically, I could replace it with this instance, so that's going to overwrite it. And now when I hit Control D, that will pop in. Thanks. Hope this is helpful. Bye.